Welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel. A deadly ambush in Nyirol County. According to local officials, a deadly ambush took place on July 21st in Nyirol County of Jonglei State. A convoy carrying a local executive chief by the name Ted Yak and members of his family was traveling toward the Yakwach area when it came under attack. The attack was sudden. A report indicated that several people were killed during the violence. Among those who lost their life were the local chief and several members of his family. The incident shocked many residents because nearly everyone affected belonged to the same extended family. Beyond the loss of life, another painful reality quickly became clear. Several children disappeared during the attack. Their whereabouts remain unknown. Community leaders said 6 children were taken during the attack. Among them are 4 children from the chief-owned family. Relatives say the children became separated during the violence and have not been seen since. For the affected family, every passing day brings more uncertainty. Parents, relatives, and community members continue to hope that the children are alive and will safely return home. The disappearance of children during conflict creates fear that extend far beyond one family. Entire communities began asking difficult questions. Where are the children? Who has them? Will they be returned safely? These questions remain unanswered. Following the incident, leaders from the Lonwer community or Lonwer youth community made a public appeal. They call upon government authorities, local leaders, and the neighboring communities to work together to locate the missing children. The youth leader stressed that their main concern is saving life rather than creating new conflict. They argued that they urge everyone with information to cooperate with the authorities. They also appeal for peaceful communication between communities so that the children could be found as quickly as possible. According to their statement, recovering the missing children should be the highest priority. The youth representative also encouraged people not to respond with revenge. Instead, they asked community members to remain patient while efforts continue to determine exactly what happened. This message is important because violent incidents can sometimes lead to further attack if emotions are allowed to take control. Community elders have often played an important role in reducing tension after such events. Many local leaders continue to encourage dialogue instead of retaliation. They believe peaceful solution offer best chance of protecting innocent civilians. While community representatives express concern that the attacker may have crossed into the greater Pibor administrative area, officials from that administration rejected those claims. Officials stated that they had no confirmed information showing that the missing children had been taken into their territory. They also say that allegations should be carefully investigated before responsibility is assigned. This difference in public statement highlight one of the biggest challenges in conflict-affected areas. Immediately, violence incident information is often incomplete. Different witnesses may provide different accounts. Authorities usually require time to investigate before reaching firm conclusion. For this reason, many observers continue to call for a careful and independent investigation into the attack. To understand why this incident has attracted so much attention, it is important to look at the border security situation in Jonglei. For many years, communities across part of Jonglei State and the neighboring Greater Pibor administrative area have experienced a repeated cycle of violence. Some incidents have involved dispute over cattle, others have involved revenge attack between communities. In some cases, villages have been attacked, homes destroyed, and families forced to flee. This conflict have affected thousands of people over the year. Although peace agreements have been signed at different times, local insecurity has continued to challenge many communities. Government authorities, traditional chiefs, religious leaders, women, and youth organizations have all participated in peace efforts. Some of these initiatives have reduced violence for a period of time. However, maintaining lasting peace has remained difficult because new incidents sometimes reopen old wounds and increase mistrust between neighboring communities. When violence occurs, they in fact reach far beyond the immediate victim. Families may lose loved one, home, livestock, or their main source of income. Children may miss school because families are forced to move to safer places. Health services can become more difficult to access if roads become unsafe. Market may close, making it harder for families to buy food and other basic supplies. Some people decide to leave their home entirely, seeking safety in other village or town. Displacement often creates additional challenges. Families may arrive in unfamiliar places with very few belongings. They may need shelter, clean water, food, medical care, and protection. For children, repeated displacement can interrupt education and affect their emotional well-being. Many humanitarian organizations have repeatedly warned that insecurity makes it harder to deliver assistance to communities that need help most. When roads become dangerous or fighting continue, relief supply may be delayed, leaving vulnerable families waiting longer for support. One of the most heartbreaking aspects of this incident is the disappearance of children. During period of violence, children are among the most vulnerable members of society. They often depend entirely on adults for protection. When families become separated during attack, children can easily become lost or displaced. The uncertainty surrounding missing children creates enormous emotional suffering for parents and relatives. Families continue searching while hoping for good news. Community leaders have therefore appealed for anyone with reliable information to help support effort to locate the missing children and reunite them with their families. Well, as of the latest report, the missing children are not yet being found. Community leaders continue urging cooperation between local authorities, neighboring administrations, and security officials. Many residents hope that peaceful cooperation will make it possible to determine what happened and, if possible, bring the children home safely. People across the region continue to watch closely for updates. The security situation in part of Jonglei remains complex. Local tension, armed violence, and humanitarian challenge continue to affect many communities. Residents hope that a stronger security dialogue between communities and continued peace building effort can reduce future violence and protect civilians. At the same time, families affected by this latest tragedy continue to seek answers. For them, the search for the missing children remains the most urgent concern. Thank you for watching. Let me meet on the next report.